everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
Today we're going to be doing this 2008 Honda Pilot. Customer wants to update some of the components and audio and technology in this, so we're going to be putting a double DIN touchscreen unit in here with Bluetooth. We're also going to be doing a backup camera with new 4 speakers for the doors. Customer decided not to buy a new vehicle and just upgrade the vehicle that they already have with some of the newer 2021 technology and a lot better audio. We're gonna make a video on this 2008 Honda Pilot, how to remove the door panels. The driver's side, the passenger side on the rear will actually be the same. So we're gonna show you the rear driver's side, and then we'll show you how to do the front driver's side so that way you can mimic it onto the passenger side.
Taking this little piece here, this little pick tool, and pulling in here and trying to get this little plastic piece out, then we can get the screw behind it.
Your hair really glistens in this light.
So there's 2 Phillips behind it.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see that from here.
I see 2 Phillips. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And what normal people do when they take the Phillips out, they put them in a plastic baggie so they don't lose them. But old Beavis over here, he just throws them in the floorboard. If you're doing that. Okay, and the next step, you're going to take our plastic pry tool and pry this bad boy up with the cup holder. Then you're going to unplug that plug underneath it, if Beavis can figure out how to do that. Today's not his day. He's having a rough day. It smells like fish out here.
Doesn't it?
It smells like antifreeze and fish to me, but there's your plug. Any more screws underneath there?
Yes.
Got a Phillips right there.
And there's a Phillips right here.
And then you're going to have a Phillips down in that cave of a hole way back in there. So those are basically the screws that you're going to need to take out to be able to remove this door panel. You unscrewing that?
Yeah.
All right. So he's already got all the other screws out. Remember, put them in plastic baggies for all you people out there in YouTube world. The screws that you'll be taking out, 2 black ones, 2 silver ones. Take this plastic pry tool that he got here. I just got that. Just bought that yesterday. Beavis will find some way to lose that today. I've only lost 10 of them in the past 4 months. Oh, Jesus, Beavis. Did you use all your muscles for that?
No, just my jaw muscles.
Must be that hair glistening in the sun, making you extra strong.
Just flapping in the wind.
You getting it?
It was supposed to slide up, and it's not doing that right this second. It's wanting to play with it.
Oh, there you go. You got it. You gonna unplug it?
No.
Okay, so he has the panel off. This is what you're gonna leave behind is this popper part right here. He slid this bad boy out. Now most people, all you gotta do is just pull this bad boy right here. You just flip this bad boy out and pull the hanger out, or you can just pull the whole door handle out, whichever makes you better. But there's that. And here's the door panel off, and here's the back side of the door panel with all the poppers and everything, so you can kind of see how that goes. If you want to take this off, all you do is pop that bad boy over and then pull it out just like that. Pretty simple.
And when you want to go put it back on, slide that back in there.
Snap that back.
Just like that.
These were supposed to be 6.5s. I'm guessing that they're probably a 6-inch or a 5 1/4, but it unbolts with these 3 screws. So we'll see what we can fit inside of here. Speaker we're removing is an Alpine speaker. It's a 30-watt speaker. So this definitely has premium sound in it. He said it didn't, but it definitely does for sure. So we're gonna see what we can fit in here to make it sound good. This is the speaker adapter harness. So this is what it looks like before it's plugged in. We'll plug that in here. We're actually gonna have to make an adapter ring to fit onto here because of how small this hole is and the way that these mount. So that's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna mount a speaker adapter on there and put the speaker on. We had to make custom rings just to make these fit, 3/4 inch spacers. Usually we'll make these out of plastic, but we don't have any 3/4 inch plastic at this moment, so we have to make them out of wood. Usually you can order these online, but right now they don't have any, so this is what we had to come up with.
All right, so what I'm doing here, I took this little bitty plastic ring off, which is right here. It has a little bitty tab right there that you pull out, and it comes right out. That's 2 screws right behind it. Then you get under here, and there's another little bitty place right here that you grab a hold of, and it pops it up. That way you can get this, access it out, and then you take all the harnesses out. I think there's 3 to be on it. So there's little tabs you push on them, which is kind of hard sometimes. There we go. Nice. So a little tab right here, you have to push that in, and it releases. We've got almost on every single one of them. Oops. There we go. We got one last one down here. And the tab is right here. Okay, so the blue one goes right here, which is this one. This maroon one goes right here, and then the white one goes also right here. So then once you have that out, there's a fillet screw right here, one right there, and then there's one right here. And that's the 4 that you need to get out, but the rest is working off. That's for the one inside the handle and the one down here. They're exactly the same. The ones up there are black. Another silver one. And then you get in here and it's black. There's the black one. One more. That's fine. So I got this lovely magnet. Get the screw out. And once you get that off, this little plastic piece up here. There we go. Has 2 of these, and then it has a little bit clips that slide down into it. Okay, so the next one would be this right here. You can leave this in or take it out. So go ahead and pop the door off. You have to reach in here, flip this little tab over, and then the bar comes right out. And you got a couple more of these. And that's how you take it off. Got one that plugs in right here, got one that 3 goes right here, and 1 goes right there.
All good?
All right, here's the front. We got that all mounted in there with a 3/4 inch spacer.